Hello, my name's Jake Finch. I'm currently part of the Crew Apprenticeship Scheme and working within the art department.
Helo, fi yn Lewis Hemmings ac rwy'n ar apprenticeship crew ac rwy'n gweithio mewn y department camera.
My name is Jordan Williams. I'm from Aberdeen. I'm a part of Crew and I'm in the art department.
My current day goes like I currently meet at the production store, the prop store, sorry, and then speak to the prop master and see what we need to do for that day. So we collect all the props and stuff what we need, and then put that onto the Luton. So it could be tables, it could be like sofas, it could be anything really, and we just get all that ready for what we need for that day. So then we transport it to the location. It's very important to get everything to the location safe and secure. Then we just get everything onto into the set. So that could be a house, that could be a studio, it could be anywhere really. It could be outside. And then we look at designer notes. So our production designer notes to see where they want anything and where they want stuff. It could be a small set, so it could just be a little room. It could be a massive set, so it's very dependent on what size production you're working on. So it could be a lot of stuff, or it could just be a tiny table and chairs. Then you just get it all into place, and yeah, it's a lot of work, but it's always really fun. So yeah, that's an average day of an apprentice.
Diwrnod arferol mewn gwaith yn cwestiwn tipyn bach yn tricky ymateb, achos fel mae pob dydd yn mor gwahanol. Ond un peth sy'n digwydd, mae'r dechrau ar diwedd pob tro yn yr un peth. So pob bore, peth cyntaf ni'n neud yw cwrdd ar y camera truck, cael y magliners bant, a mae magliners yn fel trolleys enfawr. Ni'n rhoi kit arno, ac arddyn nhw ni'n rhoi unrhyw monitors ni'n angen, unrhyw lenses am y camera, siwd gymaint y pethau, unrhyw beth ni'n angen am y dydd yn mynd ar y camera, mynd ar y magliners. Wedyn wrth fyna, unwaith mae nhw bant o'r truck, fydd fi neu y loader yn mynd draw i'r location cyntaf ni ac yn edrych ble ni'n saethu a rhywbeth arall ar enw dead space. Mae dead space yn lle mae'r camera ddim yn gweld a sydd ddim mewn y ffwrdd yn unrhyw beth. Felly dyna ble ni'n rhoi y kit ni am y dydd neu am y shot. Ac wrth fyna wedyn mae'n tipyn bach yn free-for-all, achos os ni mewn forest yn ffilmo, bydd hwnna'n really gwahanol i ffilmo mewn tŷ. Felly y peth yn y canol yn tipyn bach yn, mae hwnna'n just yn gwahanol pob dydd. Ond un peth arall mae rhaid i fi wneud yw cael lunch orders pawb. Felly fyddai'n mynd rownd y camera department, dangos nhw y menu am y dydd, sydd mewn group chat ar y ffôn ni. Mae hwnna'n cael ei anfon i ni. Ni'n dangos nhw beth yw'r menu, a wedyn mae nhw'n dweud wrthyn ni, a mae rhaid i ni textio beth ni moyn. Wedyn ar lunch fyddai'n mynd draw, cael popeth dwi'n angen, gyd o orders fi, dod o fe nôl i set, yn barod i'r tîm cael pryd ni'n brecio. Un peth arall fi'n gwneud dydd i dydd yw fel all lenses o magliners, newid batteries lot ar y camera hefyd, achos dim batteries, dim camera sy'n problem enfawr. Teaser coffi pawb. Un peth arall o fi'n gwneud lot oedd all y viewfinder gyda lens arno yw DOP. Mae'r DOP yw'r Director of Photography, Big Boss. Ac mae viewfinder yn ffordd ti'n gallu edrych trwy'r lens heb y camera. Felly, cyn iddyn ni setio'r camera lan i gyd am y shot, mae'r DOP yn gallu edrych ble fydd y camera, a os mae hi neu fe yn hoffi'r shot, a wedyn mae'n just yn safio amser i pawb. Wedyn, pryd mae'r dydd wedi gorffen, fingers crossed, mae'r kit yn nice and clean. gyda ddim mwyd arno fe. A wedyn ni'n rhoi popeth nôl o'r magliners, straight back i'r camera truck, cael popeth nôl arno. Os maen nhw yn eitha dirty, mae rhaid i ni clennu nhw lawr, gwneud yn siŵr mae'n popeth yn spotless, barod am y dydd nesaf. Wedyn strapio popeth lawr yn y truck. Mae fi o'r tîm yn mynd nôl gatref, a fydd y truck yn gyrru i'r location nesaf, and wedyn mae'n go again the next day.
And my first day of being on set would be turning up. Well, the first day I turned up at about 9 o'clock in the morning, and then it went on. The day ended at about 5:30, but within them hours, I was greeted by the team. I then went on to do little jobs. I got stuck in straight away, and then yeah, it was like that then for the first couple of days, and then I gradually then went on to like set decorating, traveling to different locations, doing the same thing. Then I done a bit of standby props for about 3 weeks, so I've just been here, there, and everywhere really. One day there was, I believe, 80 desks on set, and each of them had to have, if I remember, 5 panels across the width of the desk each. So the wood was already pre-cut, but then they gave me the job of padding it, putting leather over it, stapling it, securing it to the desk then. So I had to do that about 80 times, like just the same thing. And then, yeah, and then just other jobs really.